Author George Gaston, known as A.G. Gaston, was a mega millionaire in Birmingham, Alabama, born in 1892. He was a business titan, making his fortune in various businesses. Not sure what prompted him to try the beverage business, but in 1938 he founded the Brown Bell Bottling Company, entering the new and expanding bottled drink demand. His highlight drink was the Brown Bell Boogie and later Joe Louis Punch, named for the boxing champion. Brown Bell Boogie was sold in 7-ounce green bottles bearing brown and yellow labels. The company also produced a Brown Bell Club 67 club soda. The list shows the other fruity offerings. The drinks were bottled with equipment loaned to the company by James Lee of the Buffalo Rock Bottling Company in return for a share of profits. The arrangement was kept quiet to avoid recriminations against Buffalo Rock for helping a black company. Joe Louis Punch was a grape flavored soft drink first formulated in 1945 by the All American Soft Drink Company in Chicago. Lewis was an Alabama native, born in Lafayette in 1914. Gaston persuaded him to allow them to bottle the punch in Birmingham at the Brown Bell Bottling Company. Joe Louis Punch came in a clear bottle with a red and white label. To market the brand, Gaston sponsored Miss Brown Bell contests and had pictures of brown-skinned beauties painted on the company's delivery trucks. Despite strong initial sales, the company struggled to find retail outlets for its products. The operation was also plagued by thefts, not only of receipts, but also of sugar and syrup, which was believed to have been diverted to illegal stills. When the office safe was stolen in a burglary, the company lost the records it would need to defend itself in a lawsuit over the company's trademark. In 1950, with $60,000 in debts, Gaston decided to pay off creditors himself and close the business. Born in Opelousas, Louisiana, Percy James became a successful black business owner in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. James and his wife Hattie may have started the company as early as 1918, but the soda enterprise was not listed in the Polk, Oklahoma City directory until 1921, named Afra Cola in the listing. They renamed the company J Cola in 1935. J Cola was an Oklahoma City staple for nearly 50 years and served as one of the few black bottling companies in the Southwest. James' daughter Jewel, in a newspaper interview, claimed that her father opened his bottling plant on the advice of the owner of the Oklahoma City Coca-Cola Bottling Company because they did not deliver to the black business area. J. Cola produced several carbonated drinks, such as root beer and other fruit flavors. He trucked his product throughout Oklahoma. James expanded his business enterprises, opening the Jewel Theater in Oklahoma City and owning buildings in the Second Street District. He soon opened Jewel theaters in other towns. In the 1940s, the company sponsored the Oklahoma City Negro baseball team, the J. Cola Giants. The company was active into the 1960s. James' health forced his retirement in 1963, and 2 years later he died, effectively ending the franchise.